I go out of it. Let's go. Peace and justice?
I think we have a group of very intelligent and lively people here from all over the world, and I think an important thing is that perspective matters, because we tell our stories from a Western Europe perspective, and when it comes to the SDGs, I think it's important to get the perspective of other countries and parts of the world as well.
Governments will come and go, leaders on environmental issues will come and go, but we need to somehow embed the concept of a transition to a low-carbon, green, sustainable economy in society, and I think the arts have a big role to play in that.
The world with this melody, say goodbye to
The arts are very emotional. They touch your emotions. They have the ability to touch your emotions and not only your brain.
say goodbye to leather G, the world with this melody, say goodbye to leather G, say the world where this comes to an end, melody. Yeah. Super.